Hello, my name is Sarah and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I created another holiday makeup. This time I kept the eyes simple and my focal point was the lips. So for my lips, I used the Tonos Cosmetics Metallic Red. It's a beautiful color. It's not a traditional red. It has more like a metallic to it. Looks beautiful if you want to try something different for these holidays, and I hope you like it. Also, for this video, I break it down into 3 parts. The first part will be how I created my eye makeup. The second part will be how I applied my foundation, my lips, my blush, and the third part will be how I style my hair. I've been getting questions about how I make my hair look like the way it is, and I will show you my wash and go routine to do that. So I hope you like my video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and hope you like it, and so see you. The first product that I'm using is MAC Prep and Prime 24-hour extended eye base. This is my favorite eye base because it really helps your eyeshadow last all day long. Now I'm using the Maybelline Tattoo Studio Brow Gel in medium brown, and I like to apply the product using an angle brush. This is a more natural way to do your brows, and also you will get more control of how much product you use, so you will end up with a more natural looking brow. Now I'm using the Morphe E22 palette, and I'm starting with the light color, a nude color, and I'm setting my eye primer with this color all over my lid. For my crease, I love using the Morphe E22 blending brush. This is the perfect size for your crease area and to apply your transition color. This step is optional, but I'm using some tape and I'm putting it under my lower lash to create a wing eyeliner with only eyeshadows. So I'm using a pencil brush and starting building the color of my outer corner, starting with a brown color and slowly building the intensity on the outer corner and also on my eye, basically as I'm doing an eyeliner, but instead of using a liquid product, I'm using the shadows for a more soft and natural looking wing. And the tape will help me create the sharp end without working too hard. So I am applying a darker color, mostly on the outer corner, to make that wing more defined, and bringing it a little bit to my crease area as well for more definition. Going back to my blending brush to soften the edges. Now I'm using the lighter shade as a highlighter under my brows and my inner corner as well. For this step, I'm using my fingers to apply the shimmery shadow on my inner corner. I like to use my fingers to apply this type of colors like that, the ones that have shimmer, because you can pick up more product and will look more pigmented. Just blend in to make sure everything looks smooth and nice. Just adding some more color there to intensify. And as you can see, I have my wing very defined with not much effort. Going back to my blending brush to soften the edges. Now I'm using the Maybelline Great Lash Mascara in Very Black as my base before applying my false lashes. This time I'm using the Velour Nutty But Nice set. This particular style is called Mini Me. Really nice, very natural, super comfortable to use, and very lightweight. So basically, we are all done. This is the final look, and having some false lashes when you're using a very soft look will make your eye makeup look more sophisticated. Before applying your false lashes, it's important that you wiggle them to shape it to your eye, apply the glue, and put them very close to your lash line. At this point, I already did my foundation. Stay tuned because next week's video will be about how I apply my foundation. And I like to apply foundation and concealer first, then use the same shadow colors that I use on my outer corner and using it on the outer corner to complete the look. I hope you guys like this eye look. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask, and super easy to do. Stay tuned to see the rest of this makeup application. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up. Bye.